In this video, I'm going to show you a detailed comparison between TapTap Send and Remitly, focusing on which one sends money faster. Both platforms are popular choices for international money transfers, but speed can make all the difference when you need your funds to arrive quickly. TapTap Send is known for its simplicity and fast mobile transfers, especially to African and Asian countries. Transfers are often instant or completed within minutes, depending on the recipient's bank and country. It also supports mobile money transfers, which are typically faster than bank deposits. On the other hand, Remitly offers two options, Economy and Express. The Express option delivers funds within minutes using a debit card, while the Economy option takes 3 to 5 business days but has lower fees. Remitly is widely used in Latin America, Asia, and Africa. If speed is your top priority and the recipient has mobile money access, TapTap Send may be faster. But if you want flexible options, Remitly's Express service is a strong competitor. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.